Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, tachometer, leather shift knob, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.